Are you shaking? Are you okay?
I'm nervous.
Okay, you are a little nervous. You want to dedicate this song to your mother.
Yes.
So we're going to sing Because You Loved Me for your mother. For all those times you stood by me.